Welcome to the parshealthTV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about the do these every day, no more low back pain. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Lower back pain is the most common reason people see a doctor. As it is obvious, lower back pain occurs in the lower back. Lower back pain has a wide variety of reasons and causes. Fortunately, back pain is preventable and treatable. There are several ways you can ease your back pain, and in this video, we are going to be sharing with you 4 of the best of them to reduce lower back pain. So watch now, try these 4 tips, and quickly get rid of lower back pain. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Number 4. Anti-inflammatory drinks. If you consume anti-inflammatory foods or drinks regularly, several antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, and even anti-cancer agents can build up in your blood. Over a while, these influential agents can play a notable role in decreasing or eliminating inflammatory reactions in the body. Drinking healthy beverages like ginger tea regularly may help reduce your back pain. Number 3. Change your shoes. It might be surprising to you, but one of the main reasons for back pain is uncomfortable shoes. High heels are the worst thing you can wear. Try some comfortable low-heeled shoes to prevent or reduce back pain. Proper shoes decrease the strain on your back while standing and walking. Shoes with less than 1-inch heels are the best shoes to reduce and stop back pain. Number 2. Sleeping pose. Generally speaking, people spend 8 hours sleeping. As a result, the sleeping pose will impact our bodies a lot. Sleeping on the stomach is one of the most detrimental sleep poses. If you have back pain, you should never sleep on your stomach because it will worsen your pain. Sleeping on your back also may have bad effects on your spine because of the pressure it may put on it. So, the best sleeping pose for someone who suffers from back pain is to sleep on his or her back while he or she is placing a pillow under the back. Elevating your legs slightly will relieve the extra pressure on the back and spine. For further relief, you should put another pillow under your knees. If you are curious about sleeping poses, we have a video on our channel that describes the best sleeping poses for specific health issues. You can check it out. Number 1. Do stretches. Standing, sitting, walking, and lying down in one place for an extended time is not healthy for your back, spine, and other parts of the body. You can relieve the strain on your muscles and bones by getting up and walking around after a prolonged sitting. The best thing you can do is do some stretches. Not all stretches are beneficial for back pain. Some of them may worsen your pain, so be careful what types of stretches you do. Another way you can try is yoga. It is an effective way to stretch your back, promote the health of muscles and joints, improve the distribution of healing nutrients through blood flow, and boost the spine's flexibility. In addition, an excellent lower back strengthening movement is proven to help build up the lower back, enabling it to future-proof from injury and decrease several models of lower back pain. These lower back exercises can be done at home, work, pretty much anywhere, and anytime you feel pain, it gives you instant pain relief. They're safe, natural motions that are practical for quickly getting rid of lower back and muscle aches and pains. Figure 4 stretch. To do this stretch, you should lie on your back and keep your feet face down on the floor. Cross your left ankle over your right knee and hold your left there. Get your right knee toward your chest. Reach your left hand through your legs and interlace your fingers just below the crease of your right knee. Using your arms, pull your left knee toward your chest, pausing when you feel a stretch in your right glute and hip. Keep the pose for at least 3 breaths. Then, release and replicate on the other side. Want to modify the intensity of the figure 4 stretch? One of the most effortless ways is to adjust the angle you bend the knee on your stretching leg. More knee bends will improve the stretch, and fewer knee bends will reduce the stretch. Cat-cow stretch. This stretch focuses on both upper body and lower body muscles. You can do it in the morning and at the end of the day to relax your muscles and joints. To do this exercise, you should get down on all four poses. Flat your back. Then you should round your spine and arch the back, drop the chin to the chest. Gently contract your abs. When you do this, take care not to hold your breath. Hold for 7 seconds, relax and repeat. Do a total of 7 arches. Cobra Pose. It is necessary to practice Cobra in proper alignment to avoid excessive pressure on your back, neck, or shoulders. Lie down in a prone position. Then, you should lie face down on your mat with your whole body stretched. Press your legs and the tops of your feet firmly into your yoga mat and put your legs to a hip's width apart. Bring your hands beneath the shoulders. Next, place your hands palms facing down straight under your shoulder and prepare to raise your upper body and head. Start to raise your upper body. Push through the hands to lift the upper body and first reach into a low cobra. Utilize lower back strengths to raise higher. Look a little forward and up. Hold your gaze neutral but just facing up. Butt walk. It is necessary to do this exercise after a round of warm-up because it activates the deepest layers of muscles. Therefore, this activity comes under the intermediate classification. Butt walks exercise strengthens the hip muscles and boosts flexibility and mobility in the lower body. Sit tall with your legs out in front of you to do it. Bend your elbows and then utilize your hips to shuffle yourself forwards and backward along the length of your mat. Plank. Maybe the simplest practical exercise ever is the plank. Your hand should be straight under your shoulder, toes on the floor, keep your abdomen tight, keep your body up for 20 seconds, and do it 2 times. If you shake, there's nothing to worry about. This is the thing that occurs to every beginner, so just keep going and burn your muscles. Core power is significant for preventing back pain, providing adequate posture, and postural endurance. The plank is an excellent exercise for you to target the muscles of the core and the shoulder stabilizers. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.